Are you struggling with the foul, fishy smell coming out of your private parts? If yes, then you may have bacterial vaginosis, a common vaginal infection that affects millions of women each year. PV is caused by overgrowth of bacteria in your private parts, and it can lead to a number of unpleasant symptoms such as excessive vaginal discharge, constant itching, and foul odor. Many women are embarrassed to talk about it, but it is important to get treated if you have symptoms of bacterial vaginosis. Ayurveda is a holistic natural system of medicine that offers effective treatment options for bacterial vaginosis with the use of antibacterial herbals, dietary and lifestyle changes, and it can help you to get permanent relief and prevent recurrence of symptoms. Hi, this is Nidhi Bansal here from Medhya Herbals. We help women to gain health with all natural and holistic principles of Ayurveda, and in this video I will share with you causes, symptoms of bacterial vaginosis and how Ayurveda can help you out to find fast relief. Let's get started. So similar to our gut, the vagina also maintains a balance between good and bad bacteria at any point of time. The type and the quantity of bacteria and other microbes constitute the vaginal flora. It not only helps for the reproductive system to function well, but also helps to maintain the pH and thus your immunity and prevents you from any kind of bacterial, viral or fungal infections. Whenever there is excessive growth of any type of bacteria inside this vaginal flora, then it leads to an imbalance between the good and bad bacteria. As a result, the pH of the vagina changes and it leads to lower levels of immunity and hence fertile ground for growth of bad bacteria, thus causing infections and all the symptoms that you are struggling from. Bacterial vaginosis is different from Candida vaginitis or the yeast infections. It is also different from the sexually transmitted disease or STIs, but untreated VV can make you prone to development of STIs and other conditions such as chronic pelvic pain, PID, and complex reproductive disorders such as fibroids and endometriosis. BV can be caused and triggered by a number of factors related to diet, lifestyle, and even stress. Whenever there is disturbance in the balance of good and bad bacteria, it will make you prone to infection. And here are some of the common causes that disturb this delicate microbial balance. Frequent or excessive use of antibiotics, antibacterial soaps, sprays, and excessive use of vaginal douches and vaginal sprays, excessive use of chemicals-based personal care products that also irritate and disturb the delicate flora of the vagina, changes in your hormonal balance during pregnancy, menarche, and during your perimenopausal years, and also certain hormonal imbalance disorders such as PCOD, diabetes, endometriosis, or uterine fibroids. The main symptom of bacterial vaginosis is a foul, fishy smell coming out of the vagina, along with thin grey or white discharge. You may also have symptoms such as skin itching, burning sensation, swelling, redness, and pelvic pain. It is important to get professional medical advice if you feel that you have bacterial vaginosis. It is a common infection that can be treated. However, if you leave it just like that, then it can lead to multiple health complications such as pelvic inflammatory diseases or urogenital infections that can become chronic and highly painful, premature delivery during pregnancies, and it can also increase your risk of developing multiple types of infections and immunity disorders inside your body. In Ayurveda, bacterial vaginosis falls under one of the reproductive disorders that can be treated with herbal antimicrobials as well as changes in your diet, lifestyle, and management of your mental wellness. BV is considered to be a three-doshic disorders. That means Vata, Pitta, and Kapha dosha are all imbalanced, which lead to symptoms of pain, foul smell, and excessive discharge. Ayurvedic herbs are highly effective to soothe and treat the inflammation and infection of the reproductive organs. They also help to rebalance the vaginal flora and strengthen the immunity as well as functioning of the reproductive system organs. There are multiple Ayurvedic herbs that act as potent antibacterials as well as source of micronutrients that you need to strengthen your immunity and find relief from the troublesome symptoms of BV. Regular use of Ayurvedic herbs under the direction of an experienced Ayurvedic doctor can help you to find permanent relief from BV and also prevent its recurrence. Here are some of the Ayurvedic herbs that can help you to find relief from the pelvic pain, inflammation, burning sensation, as well as certain other symptoms that you are struggling with. And to chart out a specific treatment plan, you should consult with an Ayurvedic doctor who can advise you according to your specific symptoms. Now, there are certain herbal remedies which can also be used for both external application as well as internal consumption. These herbs can help to rebalance the vaginal flora as well as strengthen your immune system function and also help you to find relief from the pain and inflammation that you are going through. You can make a vaginal douche with either Triphala powder or with Punarnava herb powder. Take 1 teaspoon of this herb and mix it in 250 milliliter of water. Let it steep down for about 30 minutes and after that strain the herb and use this water to wash the private parts. This will help you to reduce the inflammation, the pain, redness and the burning sensation and also have a soothing effect. The next will be to apply a mix of tea tree oil and coconut oil. Take 2-3 drops of tea tree oil in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and mix it well and apply this externally. This will also help to reduce the inflammation and soothe the tissues around. The third will be to take mix of turmeric and licorice powder and then take 1 teaspoon of this mix every morning with warm water. This will help you to re-establish the gut flora and also have antimicrobial and immune boosting effects. Now, along with Ayurvedic herbs and herbal remedies, you should also make specific changes in your diet and lifestyle, which will really help you to fight the infections and boost your immunity. Out of this, stress management is really important. When you are under stress, your immune system function really takes a dip. Your body's capacity to fight infections and any kind of foreign substances goes down substantially, thus making you prone to bacterial, viral and even fungal infections on a chronic basis. Bacterial vaginosis is just one of them. So do make sure to proactively manage stress, relax and calm down with these helpful ways. You should also avoid sugary, fried and processed foods because they also disturb the balance between good bacteria and bad bacteria. All these foods are devoid of the essential nutrients that your body needs to nourish the immune system. Regular consumption of these foods also makes you prone to development of digestive disorders along with other health problems. That's why stay away from these foods and instead increase your consumption of fresh vegetables, fruits and antioxidant-rich foods such as grains, beans, lentils, seeds, herbs and spices. If you have symptoms of bacterial vaginosis, then you should make sure to wear loose clothes that will help you to promote air circulation and hence faster recovery. Stay away from all kind of synthetic clothing as well as synthetic personal care products. This will also help to boost the immune system function and re-establish the flora. Along with when you maintain personal hygiene, then it will really help you to recover very fast. So that was all. I hope you found it useful. Do leave your comments, suggestions and feedback. I'll get back to you. Do subscribe to Medhya's channel so that you stay updated with latest helpful Ayurvedic tips to stay in the best shape of your health. Do like this video and share with all who will find it useful. I will see you soon in the next video. Until then, bye.